Okay, welcome to this quick demo of the Thanks.io direct mail automation platform. I'm going to start out with one of our coolest features here. I have a gift card based message with a QR code. And basically how it works is your recipient can scan the QR code that you see in the message and they can redeem a gift card from any number of 50 plus vendors, national vendors. You can see here me scrolling through them, and you can pick the amount right here. But perhaps, maybe one of the coolest things about this is that you can actually require the recipient to take an action in order to redeem their gift cards. So in this case, they have to go to a Calendly and book a consult, and then they can redeem their gift card. Now, as you look at this message, you'll also see we have our various handwriting styles. One of the main reasons we have gone with these proprietary styles is because we know that when somebody receives a direct mail piece and it has handwriting on it, the chances that they are going to read the whole thing and possibly respond go way up. So it would be very hard to tell when you receive this that the person didn't sit down and actually write you this note. And the gift card and note cards in particular, they almost feel kind of like you're getting some kind of invitation to an event or something. So the open rates are really high and the response rates are very good on the scanned QR codes as well. So that's just the QR code feature. Now I'm going to walk through some of the dashboard here just to kind of give you a sense for the other things that Thanks.io can do. And I'll start by clicking our quick send button at the top left. You can see we have our 5 different sending types. We have 4x6 postcards, 6x9 postcards, letters, note cards, and gift cards. Now all the pricing you see here is for our business plan, and all of these prices do include postage. So for 59 cents you get a 4x6 postcard with the proprietary handwriting on it. It looks really cool. It's full color, and it shows up, in about a week in their mailbox right here. And again, it includes postage, and you don't have to lick any stamps or close any envelopes or do anything there. As you can see, we have these other types as well that you can use for various situations. Now, a lot of people will use the postcards to maybe say thank you to a customer real quick on an order, or they'll use them to create new leads. And then our letters, note cards, and gift cards, they're more about higher touch stuff. Maybe the letters are in the middle, as you see here, where maybe you can use that to generate fresh leads, or you're using it to kind of deepen a relationship with a customer. And the note cards and gift cards are for more targeted surgical lead generation, or for really making an impression and saying thank you to somebody, or just sending them a simple gift. Let's go to the next step here in the builder. I'll just click on a postcard. You can see we are integrated with Canva, so you can open up Canva at any time and design your card and just pull that design straight into Thanks.io. It's a seamless experience. I'm just going to go ahead here and pick a simple thank you card from the library over on the left. We just have a few thank yous in there if you want to send something quick. And then we're going to click continue right here, and then you'll see you can choose from your existing templates or just type out anything you want. So type out blah, 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 right? And you'll see over on the right side, the handwriting will render, and then you can, of course, change the font styles here from the library. Here's where you can add a QR code. All of our QR codes are trackable. So if I just put in any old URL here, you'll see that a QR code will appear up at the top right there. And anytime somebody scans this, and this includes the gift card I showed you earlier, you're actually going to get a notice in the email. So you'll know who it was, but you can do some tailored follow-up. You can even make these QR codes talk to third-party shopping carts and CRM systems and other automation platforms, so that you can automatically trigger responses whenever somebody scans a QR code. And for anybody who's on our business plan, we will help you set all that advanced stuff up there, but just know that it is possible. You have the ability with Thanks to just kind of go to our map feature here and drop a little pin on a map and say, hey, I want to send to everybody in this neighborhood, sort of like an every door direct experience. We also have the ability to buy targeted mailing lists directly from within the app. We have lots of different demographics here, business and individuals. So if you want to buy targeted mailing lists, you can do that from directly within Thanks.io and have fresh prospects to mail to. You can upload your own CSV files. Our CSV uploader is very easy to use, but if you have any issues, we will do it for you. Just let us know. And you can, of course, mail to existing lists or manually send to one or multiple people at a time right here. So in just a few minutes, if you want to use the manual card builder, you can get a campaign out in the mail just like that, very, very easily. Now let me show you a few other cool features of the platform here. If you happen to be a marketing agency or you have customers and clients, do know that you can do sub-accounts. I'm kind of over on the left side doing my drop down. I have a number of different sub-accounts. This is handy if you want to separate billing or just track an individual client and keep their stuff separate from other people's stuff. We have our campaigns feature, which is just awesome. Think drip email, but with direct mail. So I can come in here and say, hey, add a new campaign action, send, anytime somebody hits this mailing list, send them this message, send them this postcard, and I want that to happen, say, one day after they are added to the mailing list. Or I want this list of people to get a Christmas card every year. So you can automatically send your Christmas cards, for example, right here. I would just choose holiday, and I would find Christmas in here, and I can automatically send a Christmas card. If you want to send your wife an automated happy anniversary gift card or card, I know that sounds a little cheesy, but just to give you an idea, we have lots of advanced campaign functionality in here that you can automate the sending of direct mail. And all of this is designed to be integrated with any systems that you're already using. This is a key point. So we are very Zapier friendly. If you know what Zapier is, also Integrately, Integromat, Pabbly, all of these programs that connect applications together, we work with them. So if you have a CRM, for example, something like a HubSpot or a KB Core if you're in real estate, and you want to automatically push direct mail out based on actions that happen with your customers in your CRM or shopping cart, you can do that by connecting that system up to thanks.io, or even vice versa. You can now send your QR scans out to your system so that you can do more automated from whatever system you use for CRM. We also have a very, very robust API if you want to integrate with an existing application that you have. If you're a little more techy, you want to use our API, you can do that. You can also send by email, and we have a really cool Chrome extension that will allow you to find the addresses on a page. So if you're a salesperson, you might find that to be really useful. And then we do have an affiliate program. If you're into that sort of thing, you can promote thanks.io. You'll get 50% of our monthly business plan. And I will end up here by mentioning it. We do have our business plan. It buys down your pricing to wholesale, and it gets you a lot of these advanced features that I've shown you. I'm sure I've missed a few of the advanced features, but it's really cool, high value. And one of the best things about our business plan is that the minute you sign up, you basically get access to our team to help you build out your campaigns, your automations, your visitor view. I almost forgot visitor view. I'm going to need to show you that before I let you go. But you get full service on the business plan. And I'll end up here by talking a little bit about visitor view because it's very important. Visitor view allows you to automatically grab the information about the people visiting your website, even if they are anonymous. We can get about 20% of the people visiting, and we can get name, email, and phone for you. So let me just show you in our main account here, our internal list. We have this on our home page. So if you go to our home page, there's a chance you'll be added. But if I go to one of our mailing lists right here, and I go to thanks.io website retargeting, we've had 1,900 people so far that we found. And you can see right over here on the right side, these are people who haven't necessarily opted into anything on the site. They're anonymous, but our script is finding data about them. So email, phone. So this is just one of the many features with thanks.io. I'm going to cut this short. I've already gone a little bit too long, but just know that if you're looking for direct mail automation, we've got a lot of great stuff in here. All you need to do is head on over to thanks.io.com. If you haven't already, you can go to /business if you want to see more of the business focused features. Thanks.io.com, thanks.io/business, not thanks.io.com, thanks.io/business, and you can come here and see a bunch of the features we have going, and go ahead and create your free account today. You'll get $10 in free sends, and if you decide to upgrade to our business, you're going to get that full service from us to help you build out direct mail marketing campaigns that are automated, set and forget, and that give you a nice return on your investment. Head on over to thanks.io today and create your free